Landbank Mobilock. How to lock or unlock your account online using your Landbank iAccess account. And if you're new to this channel and you want more helpful videos like this, please click the subscribe button. So ngayon ipapakita ko kung paano i-lock yung ATM card nyo online gamit yung Landbank mobile app. So ang purpose ng pag-lock nitong ATM card is para ma-avoid yung mga ATM fraud na cases like yung unauthorized usage ng ATM card mo. Isa sa mga purpose nito is let's say hindi mo makita yung ATM card mo and sa tingin mo may possibility na magamit siya sa any unwanted transactions like pambayad ng bills or pambayad ng mga any products na binili. Pwede natin siyang ma-stop by locking your ATM card dito sa Landbank mobile app. So para magawa natin yan, I'll go ahead and open Landbank mobile app. Kung wala ka pang app na to, you can download this from Play Store or App Store. So I'll tap mobile banking and then I'll log in with my user ID and password. Yung user ID is similar lang sa iAccess ID. And by the way, kung wala ka pang online account with Landbank, meron kaming ginawang video about it. You may click this I button to check that video. And nandito na ako sa loob ng online account ko with Landbank. So I'll tap these 3 dots and tap more and tap Mobilock. So currently it's unlocked. So I'll tap this and on ko lang to and tap submit. So ang ibig sabihin nito is for domestic, any transaction na pwedeng gawin gamit yung ATM card ko within the Philippines, hindi ko siya ina-allow. Same with international transaction. Kapag ginamit yung ATM card ko outside the Philippines, hindi rin siya possible kasi nilock ko na siya gamit yung Landbank iAccess account ko. So I'll tap submit and confirm. And ito na siya. So currently, hindi pwede magamit yung ATM card ko to any transactions na pwedeng gawin using it. And kung gusto ko naman siyang i-unlock, let's say nakita ko na yung ATM card ko and gusto ko na siyang gamitin pang purchase sa groceries or any establishment, kailangan ko lang i-unlock yung ATM card ko dito sa Mobilock. So ang gagawin ko is i-tap ulit yung 3 dots sa taas and tap more and tap Mobilock and tap this. Currently, ang status niya is locked. So I'll tap this and i-off ko lang to and tap submit and confirm. And currently, unlocked na siya. So to confirm, balik tayo sa Mobilock. And ayun na nga, yung last status niya is unlocked. And that's it. Ganun lang kadali gawin kung paano i-lock yung ATM card mo and kung paano rin i-unlock yung ATM card mo gamit yung iAccess account mo with Landbank. And sana nakatulong tong video na to. Please let us know by clicking the like button. And if you can think of other videos na pwede naming ituro online, please let us know by providing a comment below. And here are other videos na tingin namin pwede pang makatulong sa inyo. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos. And this is Lou from Invest Library. Until next time, bye-bye!